Okay, and we're going to go over how to set up your lock, your Phillips 1000 series, I guess, biometric lock. Uh, Once it's installed, you're going to remove this film, which is going to uncover the pin pad, or the keypad. And then you're also going to remove this tape here, which is going to uncover the fingerprint. I don't see the key. Yeah, it's right there. Right there. Okay, so we're going to use the quick setup guide for this. We need to change the default master pin because it's, well, it's the default, and people can look that up online. And we're going to show you what that is. I'm sorry, to change the default pin, you're going to hit the X button twice. Now you're going to hit the default pin. Okay, and that should have flashed green. Why didn't it?
Verification succeeded.
Okay, hit.
Pin code is too simple. Please modify master pin code as soon as possible.
Alright, so we're going to press 1.
Enter master pin code.
And then enter the pin code we're going to use. Okay, so we got it set to a new pin for us. Now we can't lock it.
Master mode.
Okay, the exited master mode. Okay, cool. So now we need to set up the fingerprint. Alright, so to add a fingerprint, right? We can add pin codes for people. We can add, and it gives you all this right here, like, you know, add a user pin code, change the master pin code. We already did that. Delete a user pin code, add a user fingerprint, and then of course delete a user fingerprint. That was kind of interesting. You have to have the person actually put their finger on there to delete it. That could be problematic for some people. Go through a messy split up, and then the person doesn't want to have their fingerprint removed. So they got to change your locks. And once they move out, you can't let them have access for 20 years, right? Time to unlock settings. So all this has to be done through the keypad. All right, so we're going to add a fingerprint. We're going to hit the X button twice, and then we enter the master pin. You guys can't see that.
Press 1 to
Okay.
set up a user pin code. Press 2 to delete user pin code. Press
So after you enter that, you hit the
set up the fingerprint.
check mark,
Press 4
and then you're going to press 4,
place your finger on the reader.
and then you're going to.
Please move your finger slightly. Press once more. Please move your finger slightly. Press once more. Please move your finger slightly. Press once more.
Okay, so you scan your fingerprint 8 times. Yeah, put it in a different spot each time. That way, hopefully, it gets a good map. But we can't just do it with just one finger, right? I mean, just our thumb? No. We're going to do another finger. Okay, so we can do this one and we can do this one. We can add the rest later if we want, but these would be the two I would generally use. What if my hand's full? We're gonna be safe.
Press once more. Please move your finger slightly
Alright, so we got 3 of our fingers in there.
Press
That'll be something. I don't really want to add user pin codes.
press 3
Personal
to
preference.
set up a fingerprint. Press 4 to do a
Um,
fingerprint. Press 5
although we do want to change the
press 6
timed auto lockout settings.
Please
So
press 7
we'll press 7 for that.
auto relock. Please press 1 auto relock in 30 seconds. Please press 2 60 seconds. Press 3
Alright,
120.
we're going to hit 2 so that it locks 30 seconds. Alright, and then that should be
Exit master mode.
done. Okay. So there's also an away mode that you can set. Yeah, not real sure what that's about. Alright, so let's go ahead and lock it, right? Alright. So I mean, the door thinks it's locked. But we can do our fingerprint
Verification succeeded.
and it unlocked.
Door unlocked.
So now I can actually come out here and yeah, get it going. Now, how do you lock your door when you leave, though? Right, without the... Oh, I bet you got to hit like... Here, let's see. Yep, you just hit that plus, that check mark.
Door locked.
Hit the check mark and she'll lock for us. So,
Verification succeeded. Door unlocked.
okay.
Verification failed.
Yeah, I know. There we go. So yeah, just press the check mark to lock it if you're leaving in the morning. Now you don't have to have the auto timer set to it, but I would get that fingerprint set up pretty damn quick. It did say 4 ways to unlock your door. What are these 4 ways, right? Through the knob on the inside, your fingerprint on the outside, a pin code. That was supposed to be keys. That was supposed to be number 3. Actually, so it was supposed to be pin code, fingerprint, key. And I thought there was supposed to be a fob with it, but I don't see a fob. I don't see one listed.